Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of D-Ray's Garage, where today we're going to do some pre and post tune runs, be pre and post a COBB access port off the shelf stage 1. Now, I'm not going to pretend that this is going to be a thorough investigation. There is no dyno component to this. This is strictly seat of your pants. How fast do we get from 0 to 60 before? How far do we get to 0 to 60 after the tune? Off the shelf, stage 1. We have race resonators in the back there from Soul Performance Products. We have the Flat 6 Motorsports intake, as well as shortly the COBB tune. And so all that together, I just want to show you and demonstrate the seat of your pants aspect. I don't have sports car on here, so I don't have really great launch control. So probably bear that in mind too. So just look at the relativities of before and after and determine for yourself whether that seat of the pants action is worth 10 minutes and $1,200 it'll cost you to get there.
Alrighty, let's give this a whirl. Here's the COBB. Here's the plug-in. It is already connected down at the OBD2, which I'll show you up here. Let's take this off. So I'm going to start by installing apparently. That is good. We're going to do a stage 1 91 because Arizona is poopy pants when it comes to gas. So, yep, got to go 91. Just turned everything off because we're at 12.1 volts. Hopefully you can see that there. So I think we're going to make it through if what John over at Flat 6 said is true. This should be pretty quick. So I just turned the air off, radio off, and the lights from auto to off to make sure there's no drain elsewhere other than what's happening here with the access port. Alright, so we started at 229. I'm not sure if you'll see that from there, but all these scary lights are coming on. Everything broke. It's all broken. That is apparently completely normal, but still alarming when you see it. We're at 3% here, so I'll tell you roughly when we're done, but it was 229, and we'll see what happens next. Turn off. Give it a few seconds. It's now 2:36 p.m. so it was about 7 minutes that it took there. All right, we'll put it back in the on position. Just continue. Installation successful. Turn off the car and wait at least 15 seconds before starting the vehicle. All right, let's turn it on here. On here. And it's 2:39 right now. We have no aero lights, and well, next thing to do is drive it.
So while the off-the-shelf tune itself is faster and about 0.75 from 0 to 60, using the best case scenarios on pretty poor launches, to be honest with you, not great road conditions, certainly not strictly in a straight line, just what I could get out for the terms of this video. But what I would say is the general performance of the car using the tune is a bit jerky, maybe a little weird. I don't know if I have a turbo issue. I don't know if, I've got some piping, some leaking. The wastegate seems to make a lot of noise, but whatever is going on, I'm going to figure that out. But for the purposes of this video, we achieved some pretty significant results with 10 minutes work that anyone that can work a computer mouse basically can probably do. So let me know your thoughts below. Let me know your experience. Let me see if I'm even in the ballpark, like I said, doing these rather unscientific approaches to getting this job done. Hope this helps. Have a great day. Be memorable. Be well. And I hope to see you on another video soon.